Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today I'm going to try to speak slowly for those of you who are learning the language from a lower level, and also for those of you who want to practice shadowing. So trying to speak along with me in the same rhythm, copying the stress that I place on words and on different syllables within the words. Today's topic is transport. So I'm going to talk a little bit about transport here in Ireland, and then I'm going to tell you about a time when I missed the train. So here in Ireland, I have to be honest, public transport is not very reliable. So lots of times the buses don't come when they are supposed to come. So we can wait 10, 20, 30 minutes for the bus after the scheduled time. Sometimes the bus doesn't come at all. Why are you laughing?
Because this happened with me.
Okay. Sometimes it might never come. But the other problem is that our trains are not very well connected unless you want to go to the capital city. In that case, there are trains. But to connect the more rural parts of the country, there aren't trains, and the bus service is not very good. So really, in Ireland, you need a car. Unfortunately, it's a fact of life in more rural areas. If you don't have a car, you are quite limited in terms of where and when you can go to the places that you want to go. When I was in Switzerland, however, I saw something completely different. In Switzerland, the public transport is amazing. If the public transport comes at the wrong time, it's actually my watch that is wrong, not the transport. The transport is exactly on time, and it's very clean, very safe, very efficient. When I was there, I was a student, so I had a travel card, and this gave me discounts off certain train journeys. So one weekend, my friends and I, we decided to go to Milan by train because there was a discount for that weekend. And the train journey was not very long, and we planned to spend the whole weekend in Milan. So I was really excited, and my friends were too. But before I went there, in the week leading up to the weekend that we planned to go to Milan, I was really sick. And on that day, I wasn't sure if I would be able to go, but I had been looking forward to it, and I really wanted to see Milan, and I wanted to go with my friends. But when I arrived at the train station to meet them, the train was just leaving. So I knew that I was running late, but I was trying to run, and because I had been sick, I didn't have the strength to run fast enough to get to the train. So we missed the train, and I was so disappointed, and I was so sorry that my friends had missed it too. But thankfully we were able to get another train and we got to Milan a little bit later than we planned, but we got there. I remember in Milan, there were trams. I love trams as a form of public transport around a city. I love trams. But in Milan, the trams are kind of sideways. So you are not sitting and looking straight ahead. You are beside other people with no barrier between you. So when the tram went around a corner, you were sliding into the people beside you or sliding the other way and they were sliding into you. It was probably my worst experience of trams. Should we cut that? A tram is like a bus, but it doesn't have the traffic jams that a bus has. So traffic congestion does not affect trams because trams have their own rails. And they are very quiet and very effective at getting you from A to B. So generally, I love trams, and in other cities, I've used them a lot. But in Milan, I didn't have such a good experience with them, probably because they were quite old, and the way they were designed meant that I ended up sliding into the people beside me when we went around a corner, or they slid into me. So there wasn't enough personal space for me. Okay, just cut all of that. I don't know. Now I'm going to ask you some questions to see how much you understood of what I told you. So question number 1. Is the public transport system in Ireland good or not so good? Is the public transport system in Ireland good or not so good? Number 2, where was I when I missed the train? So number 2, where was I when I missed the train? And number 3, last question, why did I miss the train? Why did I miss the train? So let me know what your favourite mode of public transport is. Just mention it in comments. I would like to hear about public transport in your country. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'll see you next time.